Aku ada satu ikat daun pandan pun masukkan. This one daun pandan. Okay, pandan leaf also I put in one. Beras basmati. Tengok tu dah masak Okay, it's already cooked. Look at that. Awesome! Dapur awesome!
Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih.
Hai geng yang awesome. Hari ni aku nak share dengan korang macam mana nak masak nasi jagung yang lemak berkrim. So today I'm going to share with you how to cook corn rice. So let's get on to it. Yeah. It will be nice if we have a rice cooker like that. Okay, so switch it on. Hidupkan periuk ni, masukkan minyak dalam setengah cawan. Lepas tu kita nak kena tumis ni bawang. Satu biji bawang about one bulb of red onions, slice like that. Yang ini pula paste. This is the paste. Okay, 5 cloves of garlic plus 1 inch of ginger, 5 ulas bawang putih dengan 1 inci halia. Jadi dah gini dah jadi paste kisar. Okay, so this is blended together. So I put that in. Now you can see it sizzle So just dah dengar tu. Ni kawan-kawan dia pun masukkan sekali. Nampak ni? Inilah dia. Cinnamon. Ni bunga bunga cengkeh sikit. Some cloves. Ni cardamom ni sikit je masukkan. Itu 4 sekawan tu semua geng. Jadi kalau masukkan satu mesti masukkan semua lah. Ni untuk masak dia. Ni pun aku masukkan 1 sudu besar margarin. 1 tablespoon of margarine. Normally I use minyak sapi selalu pakai minyak sapi. Normally I use ghee, but because of I may be expecting some vegetarian, so I use this margarine. Kalau nak lagi lemak pun minyak sapi lah Aku ada satu ikat daun pandan pun masukkan. This one daun pandan. Okay, pandan leaf also I put in one. Ni aku ada 4 cawan beras basmati. Four cups of basmati rice. This rice already been washed. Ni dah rendam dah rendam dalam 1 jam. Dah dicuci, dah direndam Masukkan 2 cawan susu cair. 2 cups of evaporated milk, which is about 1 tin Now I have condensed milk, 4 tablespoon, 4 sudu besar. Susu pekat Okay. Now I have this vegetable stock, 1 cube masukkan. Kalau selalunya pakai ikan bilis stok ikan bilis. You can use ikan bilis, but this one I'm making it vegetarian. 1 sudu kecil garam, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, gaul dia. 1 teaspoon of yellow color. Okay, food coloring. Ni warna kasih cantik. Jangan lupa dalam 500 gram jagung masukkan jagung. Corn so corn kernels about 500 grams. Add in 4 cups of water. Masukkan 4 cawan air. Kacau. Mix it. Nampak tu. And you can leave it to cook. Biarkan dia masak. Okay? Itu dia. Mudah je dah. Biarkan sampai dia masak. Okay, so now we leave it to cook. Alright? We see you later. Tengok tu dah masak Okay, it's already cooked. Look at that. How nice it is. I made a mistake just now. It's actually 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Actually 3 sudu besar margarine bukan 1 jadi dia lemak ni tengok. Tengok cantik. Okay? So what are you waiting for? Let's try that. Okay? Awesome.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.